Am I visible properly?
Yeah, everyone is visible. Okay. Yeah, so we are live now. We can start. Yeah, Meghna. So we are live. You can start now.
Screen?
Yeah, it's visible.
Okay. Welcome to the Tinkerchamp webinar on ATL Marathon. Now, who are Tinkerchamps? We are young changemakers who drive a variety of student-led initiatives for the benefit of our peers. We conduct boot camps for students and teachers on various topics. We create e-learning resources, ebooks, podcasts, blogs, websites, and conduct hand-holding sessions. We support our school's ATLs and conduct maker fairs. We even have our own social venture, BizBox. Sometimes we leave tall buildings in a single pump while we're at it. I am Meghna, a Class 8 student of Harvest International School. Today, me and my fellow Tinkerchamps, Hiten, Aditi, and Jia, show you what it takes to crack ATL Marathon. We have done it before, and we hope you can do it too, with our help. First, I'll show you several innovative ideas you can draw inspiration from. Next, Hiten will show you a quick demo of his winning ATL Marathon project. Aditri will offer you tips and suggestions for submitting a winning entry. Finally, Jia will tell you how to take your innovation forward and make a real impact on people. Shall we start? Atal Innovation Mission's flagship innovation challenge, ATL Marathon, is due in the last week of this month. There are 7 plus 1 themes where we can come up with innovative solutions. With only a few more days left for submission, we can use all the help we get. Here are some examples in each of the areas to draw inspiration from. The first theme is agriculture. 70% of India's rural households still depend primarily on agriculture for their livelihood. Automation in agriculture improves the ability to perform tasks more efficiently and accurately, like drones can be deployed for precision in pesticide spray, crop monitoring, and irrigation. 2. The right amount of watering using soil sensors can also help farmers conserve scarce water resource. While chemical pesticides dramatically increase crop production, they are a poison for humans. A handheld device with sensors and accompanying mobile app can help you verify the safety of your food. Inclusivity. Health is not only about keeping fit, it's about taking care of your mental, emotional, and social health too. Mindfulness cards are like the spark plug to start your day. A mood tracker app can help you understand your emotional states and improve your mental well being. You can also build a game like Mightier that teaches you how to regulate your emotions. School education is necessary, but not sufficient to succeed in this rapidly changing world. How can we impart skills in a fun way? By designing games around them. For example, Pachisi. It is a board game that helps you improve your decision making skills. Online and mobile games like Brain HQ can improve memory, attention, people skills, and intelligence. Apps like Negotio can help you improve your negotiation skills. Disaster management. Emergency alert systems are a vital lifeline during critical situations. They can help save lives and minimize damage by sending quick alerts. A simple alert system using sensors and apps can be quite effective in saving people's lives. A stitch in time saves nine, an age old proverb. If groceries can be delivered in 10 minutes, why not emergency medicines? A mobile app to find the nearest doctors or deploying robots in search and rescue missions would be valuable innovation. Mobility. Disability shouldn't be an obstacle to success. Stephen Hawking. We need to work towards an inclusive, accessible, and equitable future for all. What if we could have a motorized wheelchair that could help you move around anywhere, like a bike on city roads? Wouldn't it bring greater mobility to the disabled? Or what if you could make use of a mobile app that can help you locate the nearest wheelchair or wheelchair friendly places? It would sure make a great innovation. Traffic congestion can cause negative effects on health, stress, anxiety, pollution, not to mention accidents. It's a significant obstacle to India's economic progress. Here are some ideas to tackle it. Adaptive traffic light control system with automatic vehicle speed breaker. Dynamic signals with barricades that come out when the signal turns red. Intelligent emergency braking system in vehicles. Avoid accidents with audio alert and braking. Cars and bikes that don't start when the driver is drunk would make another great innovation. Health. How much ever cliche it sounds, health is wealth. With our population touching 1.4 billion, there is ever more need for accessible and affordable healthcare. Wearable devices can increase access to care and decrease healthcare delivery. These devices can monitor vitals such as blood pressure, blood sugar, and other parameters and improve self monitoring among patients. Therapy is still a taboo and very expensive. Imagine using virtual reality experiences to improve recovery rates, motivate patients suffering, especially from depression and mental disorders. A healthy lifestyle is about making choices that lead to a healthy body and mind. What if we could build a game to teach children how to make healthy food choices in a fun way? Or what if we could build a peer support app like Tell Me, where young people can share their experiences and get support? Education and skill development. In simple terms, tinkering is verifying if your crazy ideas work. Here are some innovations developed by students just like you to help their peers. BizBox. BizBox is a toolkit using which students can learn the ropes of entrepreneurship at a young age. ATL Store is a platform for ATL students to share their digital creations and innovations with each other. ATL on Wheels is just that, an ATL that makes it possible to bring tinkering resources to the students themselves. ATL in Your Pocket is a mobile app that provides step-by-step guide to tinkering at your fingertips. This is my favorite, as all these products were developed by me and my fellow Tinkerchamps. How many of you like to play? All of us. The adrenaline, the competition, satisfaction of seeing your name on the top of the leaderboard. Imagine if studying could be that fun and enjoyable. It's now possible through gamification. Popular apps like Minecraft Education, Brainscape, Elucidate, and Kahoot add challenges, rewards, quests, and much more to elevate learning experience. You can build similar games too. Space. There's a phrase, it's not rocket science. It's used to imply that something is not difficult. With the enthusiasm of students, rocket science is no more a rocket science. Here are some simple DIY projects. CubeSat. CubeSat is a miniaturized satellite that's about the size of a Rubik's Cube. ArduSat is a nano satellite that uses Arduino boards and sensors. Cardboard, a ruler, scissors, some rubber bands, and a tape. You can make your own rover, a moon rover or a Mars rover, or even combine both of them into a dual rover. If you want to build one that moves on its own, use Arduino, a motor driver, ultrasonic sensors, and a few robotic motors available in your ATM. Well, you can build any of these innovations and submit them to ATL Marathon. They're not difficult to build if you apply your mind and put in the effort. Next up, my fellow Tinkerchamp, Hiten Jain, will show you his little innovation that made it to the top 350 during the ATL Marathon. Over to you, Hiten.
Thank you, Meghna. Hello, everyone. I am Nitin Jain in 8th class at Nagarjuna Mall School, Kadapa, Andhra Pradesh. Today, I am excited to share our journey the ATL Marathon with all of you. In 2022, my team achieved a significant milestone. We were shortlisted in the top 350 out of 7,500 teams nationwide. Our project Vision Alert made it to spotlight. Now, let me explain in detail about my innovation Vision Alert. As we all know, that smartphones are no longer just a luxury, but they have become a necessity in our daily lives. People often use smartphones for long hours and unknowingly keep it near to the eyes at a distance less than optimal distance, which is 25 centimeters, which results in eye strain and eye problem. So here we came up with a small innovation which can solve a major problem, and our innovation is called Vision Alert. Our device Vision Alert will alert the phone user when he uses the phone close to their eyes and will make a beep sound so that the user gets alert and keep his phone away from his eyes, which will prevent him or her to avoid eye strain and eye problem. This is how we built our project. These are the components which we used: ultrasonic sensor, RDNA nano, and buzzer. These are the most common components with which we built a unique device to solve a major problem. Now let's see a demo of my project. Now I'm unsharing the screen. Let's remove the virtual background. And let's take the device. So this is my device. So when I will put my phone away from my eyes, it will not make a beep sound. When I will use my phone near to my eyes, it will make a beep sound. Can you hear that? Let me show it again. So when I am far away, it will not make a beep sound. When I am near to the device, it will make a beep sound. Yes. Now let me share my screen again. I think so. You are able to see my screen. Yes. This innovation will help the mobile user to protect their eyes from eye straining and eye problem. Hope you like my innovation and its use. I would also like to show you another inspiring initiative at our school, NMS Explorer, led by me and my seniors. It's a web portal that contains many self-learning tutorials and tools. It helps the ATL students to tinker and innovate their ideas on their own without the support of mentors or teachers. Because it is challenging to find mentors all the time when we need. So, this Explorer is a boon for the ATL students to be independent and provide them great flexibility and convenience. These are the tools which were used to build the project NMS Explorer. We used Google Sites, Canva, Animaker, and many more. Now let's do a demo of NMS Explorer. And now I'm opening my site. So, in this self-learning tutorials such as idea bank, digital skills, mentoring resources, and much more. So, you can use this explorer to learn many things on your own and make a prototype of your idea. It's a single platform to learn in an interesting way to make an innovation. Now let's see the digital skills. Now I'm opening the digital skills. So these are the digital skills. Here we can see how we can use the digital skills. There are various types of digital skills and information about how to use them. Now let's see mentoring resources. So these are the mentoring resources. Gives various tutorials such as design thinking, business finance, and building simple digital products. Thus, this Explorer is a boon for ATL students, and many NMS students are presently using this Explorer to innovate their ideas. Now let's go to the next slide. Let me share my achievements. Vision Alert got selected in ATL Marathon in 2022. After selection, we had an opportunity to participate in Student Innovator Program and Student Entrepreneurship Program, which held in Sri Krishna Devaraya University, Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh. I went to Anantapur for SIB program, which was for 7 days. We learned a lot of things there. We were guided on how to refine our innovation and how to commercialize it. There was a huge lab with all the components and materials to refine our product. We were guided by the mentors on how to take our innovation further, even got idea to get patent of our product. We met other top student innovators and had a chance to look their innovation and even learn from them. Teachers and mentors taught us new things in a unique way and fun way. After a few months, in January, we were invited for the student entrepreneurship program in Anantapur, and it was for 2 days. We had a stall and showcased our project in front of hundreds of people and great dignities like Kakur, author of Foundbook. We had an opportunity to interact with other startups and gain knowledge. Our innovation was pitched in front of the investors. They guided us on how to take our innovation further. We even got the Best Innovation Award. At present, my patenting process is on the way. Once it gets patented, I can commercialize it. Who knows? I can be the one to start my own startup company. And all this happened because of the ATL Marathon. I got a lot of opportunities and exposure through these programs. So, friends, now it's your turn to grab this opportunity to tinker and innovate and learn with experienced mentors. All the best. Thank you. Now, Aditri will give you some tips and suggestions on submitting a winning entry. Over to you, Aditri.
Unfortunately, Aditri is having some network issues. It must be the fog in Delhi. Let me bring up her slides. Is my screen visible? Did you ever want your innovation project to be in the top 100 or 200 entries nationwide? Well, I've got some tips that can up your chances. It's like giving your entry a superpower to stand out, whether you're dreaming big or just want to nod. These tips are your secret sauce. So get ready to make your project a superstar in this competition. Now, let's begin. When students submit their entry to ATL Marathon, they often make these mistakes. Instead of submitting an innovation, they submit raw ideas that are not backed by strong research or a good prototype. These do not stand a chance of winning. The main reason being students don't start early. They don't put in enough time and efforts to work on their innovation project. It requires at least 6 to 8 weeks to do a good job with your innovation. Also, students often submit the first idea that comes to their mind rather than exploring and evaluating multiple solution alternatives. As a result, they often reinvent the wheel that others have already done. The moment they discover that someone else has implemented the idea, they tend to drop the idea rather than finding a differentiation. Most importantly, students are driven by the deadline of the competition rather than a genuine problem solving mindset. As a result of all these mistakes, students often fail to win the competition. So, here are some tips to avoid these mistakes and get a winning entry in the ATL Marathon 2023-2024. With a mentor by your side, your chances of winning skyrocket as their wealth of experience not only aids in problem solving but also expands your perspective on the issue at hand. Collaborating with a seasoned mentor can ignite innovative solutions, offering a fresh outlook and invaluable feedback that elevates the quality of your ideas. Initiating your engagement with a mentor early in the process rather than waiting until the last minute ensures a more comprehensive and effective learning experience, maximizing the benefits of their guidance. Design thinking is a systematic problem solving approach that follows a structured process: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, test, and implement. It emphasizes understanding the user's needs, defining the problem, generating creative ideas, prototyping solutions, testing with users, and implementing the best iteration. This iterative and human centered method fosters innovation by encouraging collaboration, empathy, and continuous refinement through the problem solving journey. Remember, this isn't a linear process. You can go back to any step at any point of time. Winning in a competition requires thorough research to truly grasp the problem. Without it, the risk of solving the wrong problem with a well crafted solution. Research ensures your efforts align strategically, preventing misdirection and increasing the likelihood of success for your innovation. Proficiency in building solutions is vital to avoid challenges. Before ideating, prioritize on acquiring skills in various prototyping tools and technologies. This strategic approach ensures a better understanding of their applications in the development process, enhancing the quality and efficiency of the final outcomes. The initial solution that comes to your mind might not be the most optimal. There could be simpler alternatives not yet considered. It's beneficial to brainstorm in a group or take time to explore and think of different approaches to problem solving. This process often unveils more effective and efficient solutions. Frequently, students encounter the challenge of constructing prototypes that fall short of effectively illustrating the underlying problem. It's crucial to get away from this common pitfall. Instead, prioritize on building a prototype that doesn't only function but also represents how it successfully addresses the problem. By doing so, you don't only ensure the functionality but also enhance its communicative power, allowing stakeholders and users to grasp the solution and its impact on resolving the problem. This strengthens the effectiveness of the prototype and contributes to a more successful and impactful presentation. For a competitive edge, ensure your innovation stands out by emphasizing its uniqueness. Use a competition analysis matrix to create a table, clearly identifying why and how your product differs from others. This not only highlights your innovation's distinct features, but serves as a strategic tool for communication of its unique value proposition to stakeholders and customers. The jury members want to see whether your innovation holds future potential or not. Make sure to highlight it. Tell them how your innovation can be scaled up to address the needs of thousands of people. When entering your innovation project in the ATL Marathon, it's very important to articulate your problem statement. Highlight the key research findings, your solution, showcase the prototype, emphasize the tools and technologies used, and present the future potential of your solution. Providing a comprehensive overview ensures that the judges and evaluators grasp the significance of your project, its development process, and potential impact. Shoot a 2 to 3 minute video that clearly showcases your prototype from all aspects. If it's a digital prototype, record the screen with a screen recording. Show how it works, what its key features are, and how it functions. While shooting the video, avoid background noise and clutter. shoot in landscape mode, take multiple shots, and edit them using a video editing tool. Well, that's it. If you follow these 10 tips I've highlighted, you have a winning entry for ATL Marathon. I hope these tips and suggestions prove valuable in your innovation journey. Now, I'd like to pass the baton to my fellow Tinkerchamp, Gia, who will guide you on taking your innovation journey beyond the ATL Marathon. Over to you, Gia.
Thank you, Meghna. I hope my screen is visible. Okay. So, hello everyone. My name is Jia Malhotra, and I'm a student in ninth grade, a young change maker, and a budding entrepreneur too. Take a deep breath and understand why you are innovating. Why are you taking the problems of people in mind and creating a solution that impacts them? Well, I've learned that if your why is clear, innovation becomes easy. The why for you should be the impact your project creates. Imagine a world where the words change making, impact, and innovation are not just lofty ideals, but tangible forces for positive transformation. Picture a world where these terms do not be intimidating concepts and instead become empowering opportunities. Well, that world is within your grasp, as now you have the chance to emerge as a young change maker and leave a mark on the world around you. Before we delve into this transformative journey, let's dissect what change making truly means. It's more than just a trendy buzzword, it's a commitment to crafting a positive difference in the world. Think of it as gentle ripples emerging from a small pebble thrown into a pond, creating waves of change that reach lives both near and far. And now, let's understand the essence of change making: impact. Your impact on the world is the ripple effect of your actions, or in this context, your innovation on those around you. Whether it's your peers, teachers, elders, or the entire world, your innovative project has the potential to resonate far and wide. As the renowned book Atomic Habits by James Clear emphasizes, small changes can yield remarkable results. Impacting 10 people today can compound into influencing thousands and even millions around the world. Now, consider the power of collaboration in your change making journey. Working with like minded individuals can amplify your impact, as collective efforts often lead to more significant outcomes. Remember, change making is not a solitary project or an endeavor, but a collaborative dance of ideas and actions. Well, as you may be wondering, hey, I'm just a kid. How can I create an impact on my surroundings? Your answer is here. The answer lies in innovation, creating something that empowers people and solves a real world problem. Your innovation is the gateway to your change making journey. And the project you embark on today can lead to a massive impact if executed thoughtfully. Take a look at Gitanjali Rao, an inspiring innovator and scientist addressing issues from lead detection in water to cyberbullying. Then there's Boyne Slat, who founded the Ocean Cleanup at the age of 18, and Anvita Vijay, a coding prodigy who began developing educational apps at the age of 9. Right next to these trailblazers is a blank box, a placeholder for the upcoming change maker, which is you. Remember, innovators have the power to become change makers. Now, let's explore the crucial role of resilience in your journey. Not every innovation or project will go smoothly. Setbacks are a very natural part of the process. Your first project might fail, your first innovation might fail, your first initiative might fail. What sets successful change makers apart is their ability to bounce back from challenges and learn from failures. So embrace resilience as your ally in the pursuit of impactful change. Your impact doesn't have to start on a grand scale. It can begin with a very small group and grow over time. Real life examples include BizBox, an entrepreneurship kit designed by Tinkerchamps, a visionary club comprising students from 6th to 12th grade. This kit, aimed at students, has reached 3 schools in 2 different states, positively influencing over 100 students by enhancing their skills. Then we have NMS Explorer, created by Sadia, Shima, and Likita, students from Nagarjuna Model School in Andhra Pradesh, is another example. This comprehensive solution addresses challenges faced by ATL students, making them self learners and reducing the dependence on mentors. Their innovation has empowered students to be self reliant and creating a positive difference in their lives. Right next to these, you have Quash. Quash is a personal change making venture of mine, and I will be focusing on empowering mentally challenged children using Quash. Now, let's understand the importance of adaptability in your change making journey. The world is dynamic, and successful change makers are those who can adapt to evolving circumstances. Trends change every day, and the world changes every day. Don't be afraid to pivot, tweak your approach, and embrace change as an integral part of your innovation process. Change is constant. We, the Tinkerchamps, are inventing the next generation of ATL2. We have come out with a variety of ATL models to suit the needs of students and schools from all parts of the country, whether they are urban or rural. We have built BizBox, as I already mentioned, a precursor of ATL in a box. It has all the tinkering and learning resources ATL students need for learning skills in tinkering, problem solving, innovating, or entrepreneurship. Our little Tinkerchamp, Arish Sahai, has built ATL in your pocket, a mobile app that provides all learning resources needed by tinkerers in just a mobile app. This puts ATL at your fingertips and always available with you. ATL on Wheels is another model that has been prototyped by our Tinker Champs Shrishti Sandeep and Sanvi Nazre. Finally, we have an online version of the ATL, ATL University, which are online portals that contain a variety of learning resources to upskill ATL students. We see a future where the ATLs will be hybrid, both online and as well as offline. In fact, we see a variety of offline models of ATLs in the future. These models are lower in cost and provide great flexibility and convenience to tinkerers, innovators, entrepreneurs, and change makers among school students. This is your golden opportunity to become a young change maker and make a lasting impact on the world. Your change making journey doesn't conclude with the ATL Marathon, it's a continuous process. Don't let innovation cease. Keep ideating, keep impacting, and keep making a positive difference in the lives of those around you. Remember, your youth is not a hindrance, it's a catalyst for positive change. So go forth, innovate, ideate, and impact. Transform the world with your unique contributions. And as you embark on this journey, always keep in mind the significance of empathy. Understanding the needs and perspectives of others will fuel the authenticity of your innovations, ensuring that your impact resonates on a deep and meaningful level. This was all for today. I hope that you innovate, ideate, and impact the world with your innovative project, even after the ATL Marathon. With this, I conclude my part and hand the session over back to the host. Hello.
Well, yeah, great. Thanks a lot, guys. Uh, any concluding thoughts and all about the session? Like any tips and tricks if you want to share with the fellow participants? That would be great.
Sir, as I mentioned just now, the key message that we want to provide here is that submitting a winning entry in the ATL Marathon is very important and it's absolutely necessary. But even after the ATL Marathon, your innovation shouldn't stop. You're supposed to look for problems around you, keep innovating, keep ideating, and also impact the world with whatever you've created during the ATL Marathon and take it forward.
Oh, great. Anything, Meghna?
Um, for me, the ATL Marathon experience was more than just some sort of innovation competition where we had to submit something, there was a deadline. I had an opportunity to develop my product, to take it forward, to learn more about the problem behind it and improve it further. So, more than thinking of it as competition, people should take this as an opportunity to learn and grow as an innovator.
Great. Hiten, anything you would like to share?
Yes, sir. Sir, everyone are capable to make an innovation. Small innovation can solve major problem. So please keep ideating and keep innovating.
Great. Awesome. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks a lot for conducting this session. Thanks a lot, Meghna, Aditri, who is not over here, Jaya, Hussein, all of you for keeping such a crisp and short session and helping the students prepare for ATM Marathon. We hope that this will be helping the students a lot in preparing their projects. Yeah. So the dates are coming soon. Hope all the teachers, students are actually building the project, shooting the videos according to the text shared, and creating the projects. Yeah. So all you have for you can come back to this video reference for any time. Like if you want to submit a very cool and very good entry for the marathon. Yeah. So that is it from our side. Thank you everyone who have tuned in. And all the best for the competition. We hope you excel and build excellent projects just like the Tinkerchamps. So thank you everyone. And thanks a lot again to the whole Tinkerchamps team for organizing this excellent session. Thank you and have a good day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So